Hello everyone, we're back on to new releases this month. All are version 9 ready and most also work with version 8. You can check the marketplace for the fine details on that. Our first add-on is Makaru Security Header Extended by Concrete Japan, or Makaru as they're now rebranding. This is free in the marketplace and it's very straightforward in principle. What it does is configure and insert cross-origin and allow-origin headers at the top of every web request. So this helps prevent some types of security attacks, and with browser generations getting more picky about cross-origin files and content, it may be useful to keep a site running when you really do want content from some other origins. And as I said, the add-on's free. Our next add-on is Two-Step Authentication Advanced by Noor. Noor had a previous two-factor authentication add-on in the marketplace, and this add-on improves on that, hence advanced. This add-on is configurable with two-factor authentication by any of email codes, email links and assortments of Android and iPhone apps. Depending on your location, some kinds of website are now required by law to implement two-factor authentication. This add-on is a slick and easy way to set that up, so I can see it being very useful. It's also designed for extension, so further two-factor authorization messages could be added within the package or by others in the future. It is coded red or expert in the marketplace, but don't let that mislead you. It's only red because it has to override and extend some core authorization classes. And if the core classes provided suitable hooks for extension and thus negated the need for overrides, this add-on would be green. It's that easy to configure. Marketplace price is $95. Now we have Product RDF block. RDF means Resource Description Framework, and it's a way of adding extra structured data to a web page. Product RDF block is from Steve B, and it provides a block for adding RDF data for a product. There are other ways that you can use RDF data, but this is specific to product RDF data. That product data could be standalone or used in conjunction with a shop such as Community Store. And just an observation, the marketplace listing here is misconfigured. This block is actually compatible with version 9. The RDF content is hidden from view, but gets picked up by search engines and aggregators and used to structure their listings. The marketplace price is $30. Now we have Restore Core Components by Concrete Japan, or Makaru as they're now called. This is a sort of get out of jail free card, or actually get out of jail for $15 for anyone who has mistakenly used the dashboard to uninstall a core component. It can restore single pages that have been fully deleted, blocks that have been uninstalled, and on version 8 it also reinstalls core jobs. The marketplace price is $15. That's all from me, so it's over to Noor for the rest of this month's news.
Thank you, John. So our first package is Enlil Page List by developer Enlil. This is an advanced page list that does a lot of things the core page list block doesn't do. It lets you filter your page list by a lot of dynamic options that you will not find there. You can filter by, of course, pages, location, page type, extra, by date, by topics, by a number of attributes, checkbox attributes, select attributes, number attributes, user, children, number of children. So you can decide that you want, pages that have less than such a number of children or more, or extra keywords. The options are many. So you can, probably do pretty much everything you want with this. The package is $50. It is Concrete 9 ready, and it's also PHP 8 ready, which is pretty good. And it'll work as well with Concrete 8. Second package is Container Check by developer Don DeFish. So it's a very nice tool to have. It lets you see from the dashboard what your containers do. What your containers look like. So it will show you the design, it will show you the underlying HTML markup, and even the name of your areas in that container. So this will work only with Bootstrap 5 based themes. And obviously, since containers are a very new function, this is a Concrete CMS 9 version only. And last, another package by developer John DeFish, who's been very active this month. This is the Universal Content Pooler attribute that requires the Universal Content Pooler package. If you know it, it's a package that allows you to display data on pages, so you can, fetch data, decide how the data has to be displayed, and then display it. So what the attribute does is it lets you add an attribute to a page, grab some stored settings from Universal Content Pooler, and then they will be displayed on the page. So you can display them using the core attribute display block if you want, but you can use any other way you want. So you save your settings from a block or from the dashboard into UCP stored settings. Then you add the attribute to a page. The attribute lists all your stored settings. Select one, and then use whatever way you want to display it on the page, and it will display it the way it's supposed to. So this is a great little tool to have if you're using UCP and are a fan. It's $15 and it's version 9 ready. So that's it for this time. Thank you very much and stay safe. Talk to you next time. Bye.